Welcome back to my channel across this recipe. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. To make white chocolate ganache, finely chop 100 grams of white compound chocolate. On a double boiler, melt white chocolate along with 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. Stir it continuously till all the chocolate lumps are melted. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Whip about 500 grams of chilled whipping cream till stiff peaks appear. Gradually add white chocolate ganache prepared earlier. Cover with plastic wrap and let it set in fridge for about half an hour. Remove from fridge and transfer it into piping bag for later use. Let's decorate the cake. To watch the recipe of chocolate sponge cake, please click on the I button on the top. As you can see, the whipped chocolate ganache is very airy and stiff, which constitutes for a very stable cake. Do like, share and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.